want to give a really big thank you to a special lady called Katie Anderson, and she has been helping us on her channel, looking at all the different videos we've put up, and she's been helping us to work out whether we can see the videos and whether they're working okay. And I think that we're going to have to change our name because our name is not right for finding our videos, so we might have to change our name in the next few days. Hello, my name's Miss Amelia and I'm just getting ready for Halloween. Come and have a visit and look around our playroom. Hello, my name's Pfeiffer and I'm just playing with tea parties. Hi, I'm ready for Halloween. I'm just going to have some lunch and then I'm going to get myself sorted. Me too. I really want to. Do you like the tea we've got today, Florence? I love it. My name is Liliana and that's my horse over there, Holly. I hope you like her. Hi, my name's Audra and I'm just having something to eat. Hello, I'm Raphael. As usual, I'm doing all the cooking. I just love cooking. I hope you enjoy coming and having a look around our playroom. It's great, isn't it? Oh, hello. My name's Bluebell. I'm just sitting here playing with my dog. He's called Red. Hope you like him. Hello, my name's Arwen and I'm always in trouble. This is my cat Arwen. She's always up to mischief, aren't you, Arwen? So this is the children's playroom. My children are free, so this is their room where they just play with their toys. Over here is the bathroom. We've just got a few bits for the bathroom, and then we've got some beds along this side, and this is the big box that we've just been making. Hopefully you can see it all. Now, as you can see, the wardrobe fits in there and so does the bunk bed. This bunk bed at the back, that is our generation bunk bed. It's made out of plastic and the quality of it is not as good as this one. I got this one from, as you know me, Facebook Marketplace, but you can buy these onto Amazon and I think they're a lot cheaper than the our generation ones. I got a feeling they might have been 20, but I'm not quite sure, maybe 29, not quite sure on that one. And we have another bed, which is that bed there, which is really strong as well, and that goes with that wardrobe there, and the wardrobe is really strong. As you can see, this is the bedroom all put out like that, and in a while I'll show you how I put it together, put it away. And then when we come over this side of the room, we have all the children's bikes and things. For the dolls, they've got an ice cream cart, but unfortunately one of the doors was broken, but I only paid £1 for it, so I think I'll be able to mend that door. And then this is their favourite place to be in the to play. They've made themselves a little shop. So we have just all different things. It's a pet shop and a food shop, and they've got a charity shop over there. They love the charity shop when we go out. That's their favourite place. And as you can see, this is the room. Okay. Oh, there you go. So it's quite a big room. You can get lots and lots of stuff into it. All right. So, you know, it's quite good. But what I'll show you in a minute is I'll put it over. Oh, we've got the kitchen. Again, I only paid £10 for the kitchen with the fridge and all the stuff on it. If you keep looking on Facebook Marketplace, you can get so many good bargains. You don't have to pay anything. I got the car in the back, the caravan, and the caravan's got most of the stuff. There's one or two things it hasn't got inside it. And I got the motorbike, and I think there was 2 other things as well. I'm not quite sure what it was, but whatever it was, and a load of clothes. And it came to £20 for the lot, so you really don't have to spend very much money at all. And then we've just made up our own little lounge. I got this gorgeous little unit here, which is really nice, for £5, brand new, into Poundland. So I think it's in the other part of Poundland, which is like a clothes section. They do that. We bought a little unit where they put all their little ornaments and things. This little chair came from a charity shop. That one was just from Car Boots, I think. And then this one here, I paid £2 for on Facebook Marketplace, and that's the high chair which you can sit up to the table. This is a little base which I'm going to make it decorate, so it's in the same sort of colours as the unit. It's just like a little what you would put on it is like little wooden cakes and things, and I think that would make a really nice little coffee table for in here. I used 2 of the children's hats, and I just stuffed them with some carrier bags and tied it all up and made sure that they couldn't get into them, and I've made those like pouffets. And then up on the top we do have another chair, the bigger chair. This one is perfect for the what are they called, glitter girls. We've got 2 glitter girls, and they can sit in there perfectly. And I've bought little things like mirrors and that to put on top of boxes, and at the moment we're using that, and that's obviously going to go into our window when we do that. And that's about our room. Oh, and we've got our school up there. That's just a few little bits and pieces we've picked up. As you can see, I've made some little desks by using some letters. Picked those letters up cheap and used that, and we found these little Barbie seats. And I made another big desk at the back there just by, that's one of those, it's like a little book, and you can, it lifts up so she can store all her bits and pieces. She's got her tape and her papers and all things inside, a teacher, and she's on the top, she's got all her different school things. I got a blackboard from Poundland, and I've been looking everywhere and picking up these little tiny books, and they've got like poetry and things in, but they're just perfect for the size. I don't know if you can see, did you see that? And it's got like poetry inside it. They're just perfect for the doll size. I also found these, which are much tinier, but I thought that was quite nice. We could pretend to have those, but we can make our own books as well. I find these little tubs like this, if you get little tubs like that, that's brilliant. And we use Lego bricks for when the children are counting. So when I'm playing with my children, I get them to do all sorts of stuff, counting, and we work with the dolls, and we're learning all things as we're going along. So that's about it. The bath was just wanted to say that the bath was a Baby Bjorn bath, and that one I got from a charity shop as well. But the Our Generation dolls do fit in that. I'm not sure about the American Girl dolls, but they definitely do. And obviously I want to sand that down, and I'll give that a nice spray. So thank you so much again for helping us with our channel, and I hope you enjoy this video. I've made it specially for you. I'm going to just now show you how these boxes fold down and how you can store things in them. So I'm hoping that you can see all of this, so you can see the room. Just put back just the tiniest bit so you can see both sides. So I'm hoping you can see all of this. As you can see, the room is 4 foot in length, and it stands 2 foot high, and it will fold down into a 1 foot box. Now the wooden ones, I haven't actually completely finished it yet. I'm just on the last bit. I've got to put a couple more screws in that into it, but I'm just going to show you what I made with the foam board one so you can see. So as you can see, you can get quite a lot of stuff into the rooms. We've got the wardrobe, and the wardrobe is quite heavy, and it's full of clothes, so you'd have to sort of, I wouldn't want to stack that on top of here. I think that would be too much if you stacked it up there. But you could, if you've got the wood one, you will be able to put another box on the top, and you can have it free high or whatever you like. So what we need to do just to pack it away is we'll just pull the wardrobe around like that. Okay, we'll slide the slide the dressing table over into there, and as you can see, there's plenty more room there if you wanted to put anything, if you wanted, into there. Pop that mat on top, and then we'll just slide this wooden ladder for the bunk beds on top of there. Put that out the way, but it won't matter. Okay, so there you go. So as you can see, that's folded away. Now what all you have to do is pull this piece in like that, and then lift this piece up, and that piece goes up like that. Okay, and I'm going to push that one along so you can see it like that. Okay, and then this door just swings around and it's going to catch on there. Okay, so that's that one. And then if I just move Arwen, excuse me Arwen darling, out of the way, as you can see, this door also comes around. Let's just move that shoe around like that. So this is the foam board, so you can just make them out of this, and it's really nice, and it's quite sturdy. I'm surprised. We've had these up in this room, I think it was April we made these, and I've got 2 3-year-olds, and as you can see, you know, they're still in really good condition even though they've been using them. I've pulled my fronts of my boxes right back and they fit nice and flat against there like that. And then obviously to get them out again, it's no trouble, it just takes a second. There you go, like that. The floor comes down. Sorry, it's got stuck on a bit of tape there. That's it. Okay, floor comes down, and instantly you've got your room. Okay, so you could just leave your room like that. Cat is stuck behind the door now. You could just leave your room like that and have other things which you wish to put across the back. It's entirely up to you. But as you can see, this would sit one on top of the other as well. If it's made out of wood, you could have another piece coming across here and another layer or 2 layers going up, and it would just fold down flat. I think it would be ideal for a child who's just got a small room like that. And saying that, you could also as well, if you made them into the 2 boxes, you could put a piece of wood across the top and it would make a lovely little colouring desk or something like that. So I hope you really liked that, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you so much for all the help you've been giving me. Goodbye.